Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a straightforward way to showcase the services you offer on your Wix website, you're in the right place. Today, I'm walking you through how to add a professional service list to your Wix site's service page, so your visitors can see exactly what you do and maybe even book with you right then and there. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make your service offerings stand out on your website. All right, let's jump straight in. First things first, head over to your Wix web design dashboard. If you're already logged in, you'll be looking at the editor for your website. It's the main workspace where you control how everything looks, from your header to your footer. If this is your first time in the Wix editor, don't worry. It's super user-friendly. Think of it like painting a room. You get to choose all the colors and where everything goes. Once you're in the editor, the next step is to add a new section to the page where you'd like your service list to appear. This is an important step because sections help break up your page, making it easier for visitors to navigate. For example, you might have an About Us section, a photo gallery section, and now a dedicated services section. To add your new section, hover near the part of the page where you want it, for instance, directly under your main banner. Look for the Add Section button, which usually appears as a big plus sign or something similar, and give it a click. Take a moment to glance over the layout options Wix offers here. You can choose one that fits the overall style of your site, so your service list feels like a natural part of your web design. With your new section in place, it's time to bring some elements into it. Click Add Elements. This is where the real customization happens. Wix offers tons of elements, from images to contact forms, but we want something tailored for showcasing your services. Don't rush here. Just take your time scrolling through what's available and getting familiar with the options. The Elements menu is kind of like your artist's toolbox. Today, we'll reach for the Booking tool. Within the Elements menu, look for Booking. It might be labeled as Bookings, Services, or Appointments, depending on your template or Wix's updates. You'll see a few different widgets and layouts. But the star of the show here is the service list. Click that, and Wix will instantly add a beautiful, easily customizable list of your services to the section you've just created. If you offer things like salon treatments, consulting sessions, fitness classes, or any sort of bookable service, the service list lets you display descriptions, prices, and even a booking button all in one neat package. It's almost like installing a digital signboard for your business, making it super clear what you offer. And that's it. You've just added a service list to your Wix website. From here, you can click into the list to edit each service, add images or icons, tweak the details, and adjust the design to match your brand colors. Don't worry if it takes a little fiddling to get everything just right. Wix makes it easy to preview changes and undo anything you're unsure about. So now, your visitors can not only read about your services, but also book them right from your website, making the whole process smoother for both you and them. Thanks for following along. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. I always love hearing what you're working on. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow Wix tutorials and website tips. See you in the next one.